making peanut butter Easter eggs. And my butter is not soft yet. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna throw this in the microwave for about 10 or 15 seconds just to get it softened up. Okay, so I got my butter and I'm gonna take my peanut butter. Now, if you want, you can use crunchy peanut butter. I know that's not officially Reese's, but you can do that if you want. Now I'm measuring in the measuring cup, but this is 16 ounces, so it's just usually a half a jar of peanut butter. Normally I don't measure, but last time I didn't measure. Wow, I set the internet on fire because I did not measure correctly according to them. Okay, so I've got my peanut butter in here. Then I have my vanilla. Now this is vanilla paste that a viewer sent me. It's very, very delicious. Thank you very much. So I'm trying that in all my stuff. And then I have my powdered sugar. And I have 2 cups of powdered sugar. Okay, now I'm gonna get these all mixed up. This recipe is in my Dining on a Dime Cookbook Volume 1 on page 336 and 337. You can take a picture right here, or take a picture of the QR code and follow the link to our website, livingonadime.com, or click the recipe in the description below. All right, now I got this lovely egg mold at Wally World, and I was like, ooh, that looks cool. So we're gonna give this a try this year. Instead of shaping them, I am going to just form them. Now, this is a cake mold, a cake pop mold, Easter egg cake pop mold. So, yeah. Okay, so I think I got these all smushed in here. So now what I'm gonna do, all right, has anybody seen my flat metal scraper?
The one that looks like this, but big?
Yeah, the big flat. Yes, that. Dave, you're just so cool. Thank you, Dave. Okay, I found my scraper. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to scrape along the top here. Oh, maybe this wasn't the best idea. Oh dear. Oh yeah, okay, there it is. So this is a cooking. This is supposed to be for cooking, not necessarily. It's not working as intended. Oh dear. Huh. Well, how should I do this? Do I scrape in between each? Okay, so these little divots are causing problems. Oh dear. Mistakes were made. Wait, let's try this. Oh, there we go. Okay, now I think I got it. There we go. Okay. Got a little bit into here. Okay, now I'm gonna pop these in the freezer and see if this works. I'm having doubts. We'll see. I am putting down parchment paper. There we go. Almond bark here. I don't know. Well, I'll melt this all and see if it's too much. Ooh. Okay, my container is pretty warm, so I think what I'm going to do is let my chocolate just sit in here for a bit and let it melt. Just like 5 minutes. Okay, that's not quite, well, okay, I don't think this is quite hot enough to get it all melted. So I'm gonna go microwave it for just another 30 seconds, 20 or 30 seconds. Well, I don't know, let's see. Okay, there we go. Okay, now I've got these sprinkles. All right, now let's see if our peanut butter eggs, I didn't test, I should have tested. They're going to come out clean. Maybe. Ooh. Well, sort of. Oh dear, I didn't get that one smushed in good enough. Okay, let's see if we can do this anyway. Okay, now I knew I'd have little nubs there. So, oh brother, I don't know if this is gonna work. Okay, here we go. Boop. Oh, maybe this will work. Oh, that's not too bad. Okay, so then I'm going to sprinkle each one. Oh, that one turned out good. Ooh, man, that is setting up quick. I don't know if I can get the sprinkles on quick enough. So first of all, I'm gonna mix these up because they're not even mixed up. Oh, those turned out so pretty. Okay, now this chocolate is infected with peanut butter now. So you know what I think I'm gonna do? I have extra peanut butter stuff. That was delicious, by the way. So instead of making more of these, I'm gonna try another recipe, making a fudge, okay? So I'm gonna come back and do that video. Okay, just got done making these. I have leftover chocolate infected with peanut butter here. So there's not a lot more recipes that I can make for Easter that have peanut butter in the chocolate. So I'm gonna try a peanut butter fudge for Easter, okay? So what I'm gonna do is I got my sweetened condensed milk here. I'm gonna pour it in my chocolate. Sorry, there was kids yelling outside, so I was making sure something wasn't going on. Okay, so I'm mixing this into my leftover almond bark. Okay, so get the sweetened condensed milk. Ooh, see how it's turning all fudgy? Okay, so we're getting the sweetened condensed milk. Oh, wow. So the almond bark is going to set up firmer than, because there's a little bit more chips in here, but it should be fine. It shouldn't actually really matter that much. Okay, so, because in the original 2-ingredient fudge recipe, which is a bag of chips and a bag of sweetened condensed milk, some recipes call for 1 bag, which is 2 cups, and some recipes call for 3 cups. So if you're on my website and you see different recipes, that's why. It doesn't really matter. It's just how firm do you want your fudge to be. So really, guys, please do not stress out about it, okay? Okay, so got all mixed in here. Looking all yummy. And I feel like I should put some sprinkles or something in there, but I think I'm not gonna do that. Okay. Okay, now, then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my extra leftover filling and going to blop it. Okay, and then I'm going to push it in to my fudge and swirl it, hopefully before it sets up. Then, because it's peanut butter, oh my goodness, this is gonna taste just like a Reese's. I just know it is. Okay, you're all smooth, just well, as smooth as you can. It's just rustic fudge. Just call it rustic fudge, okay? Okay, so then I'm going to take some of the sprinkles and sprinkle them on top. Oh, that's gonna be so pretty, and then I'm gonna push it all in. Yes, I washed my hands. I don't know why people don't think I wash my hands, but I do. Okay. There we go. And then, because it's peanut buttery, let's put some peanut M&Ms in. Scoot those over. Okay, so now we're gonna let that set up and then we will cut it. Okay, they are all done. Oh my goodness, they look lovely. I'm so excited. Okay, so let us cut. How should I do lengthwise? Cut into, oh, There you go. Reese's peanut butter eggs. But they're in a better egg shape. If you got little pieces like that, you can just cut it off. Jack, do you want a taste test?
Oh, sure.
Okay, my taste tester. Tell me what thou thinkest. Was it peanut butter egg perfection?
Yes.
You want the other
Oh,
half?
thank you.
Okay, I have my experimental peanut butter fudge here. Shouldn't be experimenting so much. Let's see. Oh, that's nice. Okay. So now, let's cut this. Now I got these ones a little bit more even. Oh, yes. Oh my goodness. Okay, Jack, I know it's early, but could you taste test for your mother, please? I need somebody to tell me if this actually turned out. I think it did.
Sure.
It looks like it did. Is it too early for Reese's fudge?
No.
Is it good?
Yeah, that's really good.
Tastes like Reese's?
Tastes like a peanut butter cup.
Yay! That was what I was going for. Peanut butter cup fudge. Yum. Thank you, my son.